Practice set 2.2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. First question is x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Now in this the coefficient of x square is 1. अभी x square के पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है, इसका मतलब उसका coefficient 1 है. Coefficient of x is minus 15 and constant is plus 54. So the first step will be you will multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term, which means you will multiply 1 with 54. 1 multiplied by 54 gives us 54. So we have to find two numbers such that the product should be plus 54 and the sum should be minus 15. Now since the product that we want is positive, so both the numbers will either be positive or they are going to be negative. But since the sum that we require is negative, so obviously both the numbers are going to be negative. So we'll take the numbers as minus 9 and minus 6. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 6 is plus 54 and minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. So as both the conditions are getting satisfied, so factors minus 9 and minus 6 are correct. Now we'll split minus 15x as minus 9x and minus 6x. So you'll write down x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Now you observe these two terms, x square and minus 9x. From these two terms we can take x as common. So what do we get inside the bracket? From the first term, that is x square, we have taken x common, so we'll get x over here. From this term minus 9x, we have taken x as common, so you'll write down minus 9. Now come to the next two terms, minus 6x and plus 54. From these two terms we can take minus 6 as common. So what do we get inside the bracket? Check this term minus 6x. From this we have taken minus 6 common, so we'll get x over here. And from plus 54 also we have taken minus 6 as common, so you'll get minus 9 over here. Remember that these two brackets will always remain same. Now check these two terms. From these two terms we can see that x minus 9 is common. See the underlined part, it is x minus 9 and it is common in both the terms, so we'll take this outside. So inside the bracket what do we get? From the first term we have taken x minus 9 as common, so we get x over here. And from this term also we have taken x minus 9 common, so we'll get minus 6 over here. So we get x minus 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now when will the product be 0? It will be 0 when either the value of this bracket should be 0 or the value of this bracket should be 0. Which means either x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we'll take minus 9 on the right hand side, so we get x is equal to 9, or from here we'll take minus 6 on the right hand side, so we get x is equal to 6. So roots of the given quadratic equation are 9 and 6. Remember that any quadratic equation has two solutions. We can also say that there are two roots of the equation. Come to question number 4. Question is 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what we'll do, we'll shift 22m and plus 15 on the left hand side. So we get 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0. Coefficient of m square is 5 coefficient of m is minus 22 and the constant is minus 15. Now in the first step, we will multiply coefficient of m square with the constant term. So we will multiply 5 with minus 15. 5 multiplied by minus 15 is minus 75. Okay, so we have to find two numbers such that the product is minus 75 and the sum is minus 22. Now the product that we want is negative, which means one of the numbers is negative and the other number is positive. And the sum that we want is also negative. Okay, so when will it be possible? It will be possible when the bigger number is negative and the smaller number is positive. Okay, so we'll take the two numbers as minus 25 and plus 3. Minus 25 multiplied by 3 is minus 75 and minus 25 plus 3 is minus 22. So as both the conditions are getting satisfied, so our factors are correct. They are minus 25 and plus 3. Now we will split minus 22m as minus 25m plus 3m. So we will write down 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take 5m as common. So inside the bracket we get, see, from this term we have taken 5m common, so we get m over here. And from this term also we have taken 5m common, so we will get over here minus 5. Now come to the next two terms, 3m and minus 15. From these two terms we can take plus 3 as common. So what do we get inside the bracket? See, from 3m we have taken 3 common, so over here you will get m. And from minus 15 also we have taken plus 3 as common, so over here you will get minus 5. See over here, these two brackets are same. As I said earlier, that these two will always be same. Now check these two terms, 5m into m minus 5 and plus 3 into m minus 5. We can see that m minus 5 is common. See the underlined part, it is common. So we will take m minus 5 outside. So what do we get inside the bracket? See, from this you have taken m minus 5 common, so over here you will get 5m. And from 3 into m minus 5 also you have taken m minus 5 common, so you will get plus 3. So m minus 5 into 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now when is the product going to be 0? It is going to be 0 when either the value of the first bracket is equal to 0 or the value of the second bracket is equal to 0. Which means m minus 5 equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So we'll shift minus 5 to the right hand side. We get m is equal to 5, or from this you will shift my plus 3 on the right hand side. So it will become 5m equal to minus 3. So 5 will go on the right hand side and you will get m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So the value of m is equal to 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So roots of the given quadratic equation are 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Now we'll see question number 5. Question number 5 is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, okay, but the constant is in fraction form. It is 1 upon 2. So in order to eliminate this fraction form, we'll multiply throughout by 2. So multiplying by 2 throughout, you get 2x square into 2 is 4x square, minus 2x multiplied by 2 is minus 4x, and plus 1 upon 2 into 2 is plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we have simplified this quadratic equation. Coefficient of x square is 4, coefficient of x is minus 4, and the constant is plus 1. First we will multiply 4 with 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So we have to find two numbers whose product is plus 4 and their sum should be minus 4. Now since the product is plus 4, that it is positive, so both the numbers will either be positive or they will be negative. But as the sum is negative, so both the numbers are going to be negative. Okay. So we'll write down two numbers, minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 4 and minus 2 is minus 4. So both conditions are getting satisfied. So our factors are correct. So we'll split minus 4x as minus 2x minus 2x. So we'll write down 4x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take 2x as common. So what do we get inside the bracket? From 4x square we have taken 2x as common. So over here you will get 2x. And from minus 2x you have taken 2x as common. So you will get minus 1. Now come to the next two terms. They are minus 2x and plus 1. From these two terms we have taken minus 1 as common. So what we will get inside the bracket? From here you have taken minus 1 as common, so over here you will get 2x, and from plus 1 you have taken minus 1 common, so you will get over here minus 1. Both these brackets are same. You get 2x minus 1 over here, and also over here you are getting 2x minus 1. These two should always be same. Now check these two terms. From these two terms we can take 2x minus 1 as common. See the underlined part. So what we'll get inside the bracket? From this term we have taken 2x minus 1. So over here you will get 2x. And from here you have taken 2x minus 1 as common. So you will get inside the bracket minus 1. So 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now when will the product be 0? It will be 0 when either the value of this bracket is 0 or the value of this bracket is 0. Which means either 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. We will take minus 1 on the right hand side. So you get 2x is equal to 1, or over here again you will take minus 1 on the right hand side, so you get 2x equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2 are solution of this quadratic equation. So roots of the given quadratic equation are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Practice set 2.2, sum number 6. Question is 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Now this 2 upon x is in fraction form with x being in the denominator. So in order to eliminate the fraction, we'll multiply throughout by x. So 6x multiplied by x is 6x square minus 2 upon x into x. X और x cancel हो जाएगा and you get minus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by x is x. Okay. So we'll shift this x on the left hand side and we get 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 6. Coefficient of x is minus 1 and constant is minus 2. Now in the first step you will multiply 6 with minus 2. 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12. So we are supposed to find two numbers whose product is minus 12 and the sum should be minus 1. As the product is negative, it means that one of the numbers is positive and the other number is negative. But the sum that we want is negative. Sum that we want is minus 1, which means it's negative. So obviously the bigger number will be negative and the smaller number will be positive. So we'll take two numbers, minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 multiplied by 3 is minus 12 and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Since both conditions are getting satisfied, so the two numbers are, or the factors are, minus 4 and plus 3. Now we'll split minus x as minus 4x plus 3x. So we'll write down 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take 2x is common. So ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या आएगा, देखो ये फर्स्ट टर्म में से हमने 2x कॉमन लिया है, सो यहाँ पे आपको 3x मिलेगा. एंड फ्रॉम दिस टर्म minus 4x also you have taken 2x common, so over here you will get minus 2. Then come to the next two terms. ये दो टर्म में से प्लस 1 कॉमन ले गए हम, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या आएगा, देखो ये टर्म में से प्लस 1 कॉमन है, so over here you will get 3x. And from this term also you have taken plus 1 common, so over here you will get minus 2. See that these two brackets are same. मैंने कहा ये दो ब्रैकेट हमेशा सेम होंगे. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take 3x minus 2 common. दोनों जगह पे है ये, so we'll take this common 3x minus 2. सो ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट टर्म में से 3x minus 2 कॉमन लिया है, सो यहाँ पे आपको 2x मिलेगा. एंड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट टर्म ऑल्सो यू हैव टेकन 3x minus 2 कॉमन, सो ओवर हियर यू विल गेट प्लस 1. तो देयरफॉर 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. अभी इसका वैल्यू 0 कब होगा, it will be 0 when either the value of this bracket is 0 or the value of this bracket is 0. Which means either 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 2 will go on the right hand side and it will become plus 2. So therefore 3x is equal to 2, or either say plus 1 will go on the right and it will become minus 1. So therefore 2x is equal to minus 1. 3 right में चला जाएगा and we get the value of x as 2 upon 3. Or in this case 2 will go on the right and we get the value of x as minus 1 upon 2. So therefore roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Question number 7. Question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is root 2, coefficient of x is plus 7 and the constant is 5 root 2. So in the first step we will multiply root 2 with 5 root 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So the product is 10. Now we have to find two numbers such that the product is plus 10 and the sum should be plus 7. Now since the product is positive, then it means that both the numbers will either be positive or they will be negative. But as the sum is positive, so both the numbers will be positive. So we'll take two numbers plus 5 and plus 2. Plus 5 multiplied by plus 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So as both the conditions are getting satisfied, so the numbers are 5 and 2. So this 7x will split as 5x plus 2x. So we'll write down root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now 2 is root 2 multiplied by root 2. So we'll again write down root 2x square plus 5x plus this 2x will write as root 2 into root 2 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take x common. So what we'll get inside the bracket? From this term we have taken x common. So over here you will get root 2x. and from this term also you have taken x common, so you'll get plus 5. Then come to the next two terms. From these two terms we can take root 2 common. So what we'll get inside the bracket, from this term you have taken root 2 common, so you will get root 2x. And from this term also you have taken root 2 common, so you will get over here plus 5. Look at these two brackets, they are same. Now see these two terms. From these two terms we can take root 2x plus 5 as common. So if we take this root 2x plus 5 as common, so what we'll get inside the bracket? From this term we have taken root 2x plus 5 as common, so over here you will get x. And from this term also you have taken root 2x plus 5 as common, so over here you will get root 2. So therefore root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now when will the value be 0? It will be 0 when either the value of this bracket is 0 or the value of this bracket is 0. So it means that either root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now from this we can take plus 5 on the right hand side. So over here you will get root 2x is equal to minus 5 or plus root 2 right में चला जाएगा, and we get x is equal to minus root 2. Now from here root 2 will go on the right and you will get the value of x as minus 5 upon root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2. So therefore minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are roots of the quadratic equation. Practice set 2.2. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. This is question number 9 and the question is 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. So first we'll multiply 2m with the bracket m minus 24. 2m into m is 2m square. 2m multiplied by minus 24 is minus 48m is equal to 50. So we get 2m square minus 48m is equal to 50. Okay. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we'll shift plus 50 on the left hand side. So we get 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. The coefficient of m square is 2, coefficient of m is minus 48 and constant is minus 50. Now in order to simplify this quadratic equation, we can divide throughout by 2. So 2m square divided by 2 is m square. Minus 48m divided by 2 is minus 24m and minus 50 divided by 2 is minus 25 is equal to 0. अभी m square के पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है, so the coefficient of m square is 1, coefficient of m is minus 24 and constant is minus 25. Now the first step will be, you will multiply the coefficient of m square with constant, which means you will multiply 1 with minus 25. 1 multiplied by minus 25 is minus 25. So now we have to find two numbers such that the product is minus 25 and the sum should be minus 24. The product that we want is negative. So it means that one of the numbers will be negative and the other number will be positive. But since the sum that we want is also negative, so it means that the bigger number will be negative and the smaller number will be positive. So we'll take two numbers. One of them is minus 25 and the second one is plus 1. Minus 25 multiplied by plus 1 is minus 25 and minus 25 plus 1 is minus 24. So it means that both the conditions हमारा satisfy हो रहा है. So these two numbers are correct. Now we'll split minus 24m as minus 25m plus 1m. So we get m square minus 25m plus 1m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. इसमें से हम m कॉमन ले सकते हैं. m तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या बचेगा? Look at the first term. From m square we have taken m common, so over here you will get m. From minus 25m also you have taken m common, so over here you will get minus 25. Then come to the next two terms, that is 1 plus 1m and minus 25. From here you can take 1 as common, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपको क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ से आपने 1 को कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ पे आपको m मिलेगा. And from minus 25 also you have taken plus 1 common, so over here you will get minus 25. So m into m minus 25 plus 1 into m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now look at these two terms. From these two terms we can take my m minus 25 as common. See, we have underlined it. हम m minus 25 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या बचेगा? ये टर्म से आपने m minus 25 को कॉमन लिया है, so over here you will get m. And from this term also you have taken m minus 25 common, so over here you will get plus 1. So therefore m minus 25 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when will the value be 0? It will be 0 when either the value of this bracket is 0 or the bracket or the value of this bracket is 0, which means that either m minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 25 को right में shift करेंगे, so you get m is equal to 25, or in this case you will shift plus 1 on the right hand side and you get m is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we get two solutions over here, that is m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. So therefore 25 and minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation.